So hello my curious friends. I was not active because of my final examination, but now I am active and I was thinking what to do related videos. So I think of very beneficial Python project, that is a calculator. And for calculator it is very easy, but I have updated it for GUI using TK intent. So in this video I will tell how to make it. This video is for every Python user, like desktop user, mobile user, iOS user, everyone, but especially for Android, as curious coders like me of age 12 or 13 like me uses desktop very much. So that's video for this. So first of all, I have imported a library called tkinter that is used for GUI, graphical user interface. You can see here what happened. This line I have, and second I have done large font style, small font style, digits font style, and default. I have specified first. Okay, that's 4. This is Arial, 4 are Arial, and 40, 16, 24, 20 size, and 2 are bold. And second are font, that is font style, and that is color. Off white, white. Off white means little white, light blue, light gray. Label color you order, label you know. And then I made a calculator class. Already know. I will tell. Already know, but I will tell. Class means to make a specified program in a program. That is calculator program. Okay. Till for 15 line I have told. Now I will tell output. I forgot. I will tilt. That is not responsiveness. Okay. Yes. What is 9 multiplied by What is 9 multiplied by 8? That is 72. Okay. What is 8 square? 64. And what is 64 square? 4096. 4096 divided into 8 is equal to 512. 0.0 not mean. Divided into 2 is equal to 256. Okay, minus 56 is equal to 200. All buttons are work properly. Sorry, 2.5 divided into 9 is equal to 2.5. Point of function is also working properly. That's square root. Okay, so that's now I will teach from 16th line. Yes, 16th. Now the program, inside program calculator, there are many definitions or functions. Definition in it, that's the main definition function. Like we are creating a window in which the program will run, and second we are creating a geometry for program, and resizable, true or false. That's false, we cannot resize it. Window title is also there, and the total expression, that's 0. Current expression 0, that means no default number will be there. Display frame will be there, frame in which the numbers functions will be there. Total label will be set, display labels will be set, and digits like 7, 8. That's bracket 1, 1 means row column, and 9, 8, that's all numbers. That's point, and that's a row 4, column 1. Okay, self operations are there. You have to check it on pip.org. Now self buttons dot frame this in which we have created buttons that we have done here. And now I will scroll. That's frame for x in range. We will support it and bind it together to create a special buttons and operators and digits. Now bind keys. What is the meaning of bind keys? Like in example 8 multiply by 9, we it will replace 9 into 72. That's the bind. 9 will erased and 72 will be printed. That's the bind. Yes, this. First we will return, and lambda event will be lambda function of Python is evaluate means that's is equal to sign. For key in, that's a for loop used here. Cell dot window dot bind lambda event again done for key in self operations. That's again this is for digits for loop, and this is for operations. Plus minus is equal to, that's operations. And here is also lambda event opened. And now come to second third function, create special buttons like we don't have to make a function like this, but self dot create clear button means see this. And equals button, you all know. Create square button, square, you all know. sqrt, this is square and this is square, sqrt. Okay. Def creates display labels. We will display labels like this displaying label. We have created a full frame. Expand is true, and it will be, there will be no space. Fill on both portrait sides, landscape in both total label and label, and we will back also and return also. Now bring a displaying frame in which the functions will be displayed and binded. Frame is made in which light gray and 2021 night. Say expand can also do fill on both landscape and portrait and return also. Now add to expression, like it is also known as bind. 8 multiply by 5, it changes into 40. It will added cell dot current expression is equal to cell dot current expression plus str of value, and we will update a data label. Now creating a digit buttons, we will creating a for loop in which button is equal to tk button, in which buttons frame will be printed. Background will be white, foreground will be label color, that's on the top of variables. Now creating a grid. Now creating a grid with a sticky notes and the append operator. That's the same. The current expression, total expression game, self dot update total label, and self dot update label is important. That three are not used here. Definition, create operator buttons all plus minus multiply divide and all are made here using for loop, and the symbols are already uploaded from Google here using lambda function. And now used clear, definition clear means see current expression will be 0, total expression will be 0, and it will be updated both. Now clear button, to create clear button function is here, and to create clear button is there using button, and text is equal to C, BG color and FG color, and font style is given and into grid. Now creating a square button function, that is self create and divide exponential form of 2. Okay, square. And now creating a square button using this way we have done sqrt, sqrt in sqrt 0.5 exponential, that means I'm creating a sqrt button. Now evaluate is equal to sign. We will try to express total expression. If not, it will support error and update label. Now creating equals button, now creating equals button of this try expect. Here that's the text you can see. And now creating buttons frame, that will be filled on both the side and returned also. Now update total label is also there, and now update label is also there. That's all the same. Def front dot self is equal to like window dot main loop we used in previous videos. That's all are same, but you have to grab information from previous videos I have done. And now that's the important function. If name is equal to main, that's the main is equal to main program, and name is equal to class program. Calc is equal to calculator, that's a class. Calc dot run, class will be run in the, that's a function. Okay, so that's for this video. Goodbye, see you in the next video.